Hello everyone, I'm Chad Nolte, a system sales engineer here at TRANE Milwaukee.
And I'm Tyler Schmitz, system sales leader for TRANE for the state of Wisconsin.
We're really excited to announce that we're going to be hosting the upcoming Fifth Thursday event through the PMSMCA. It's going to be Thursday, January 30th from 3 to 6 p.m. It'll start at 3 with some networking, light appetizers, some alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, and then we'll have our presentation at 4 p.m. with networking to follow as well. We have a parking lot here for you guys to park in, and there's also street parking available, so hope you can make it. I'll let Tyler talk a little bit more on the agenda for the presentation so you can hear about what's all in store for you.
Yeah, the focus for this is incentives and rebates. So we will have a representative from Focus on Energy here to talk about all the recent updates at the beginning of the year, things that have changed to the Focus on Energy rebate structure. We've been getting a lot of questions about that, so really excited that we'll have them here. They'll probably talk for about a half an hour, and then I'll spend the rest of the time talking a little bit about all the updates to the federal incentives and rebates with the changing administration and all things happening there. Nothing's definitive yet, but we've got a pretty good idea of where things are headed, and we can shed some light on that.
Yeah, this will be a great event for service PMs, project managers, really anyone with an owner relationship that they work with. It's always a great idea to add more tools to your toolkit, and this is going to be a great one that you can provide value and give your customers more savings on new systems and new equipment that they're going to be getting. So hope you guys can make it. We're looking forward to it. Thank you.